Next, number 7, we have here the multiplication naman po ng decimal numbers. Okay, remember decimal numbers are part of rational numbers. So how do we multiply decimal numbers? All you have to do is to follow these steps. Ignore lang po natin yung mga decimal points. You just multiply them just like you do what you do on whole numbers. Okay? So paano? Just multiply 75 by 4. Okay? Kung i-multiply natin, if we use a scrap paper, we can have this solution, no? So 0.75 times 0.4. Unlike sa addition and subtraction of decimals, if you notice, hindi po naka-align yung ating decimal point, ano? Okay, okay lang po yan. It doesn't matter. Kasi ang kailangan lang natin dito is to multiply the whole number part. So magiging whole number sila in short. So 4 times 5, we will get 0. Why 0? 4 times 5 is 20. And saan natin ilalagay yung 2? Dito po sa taas ni 7. So 4 times 7 is 28 plus 2, you will get 30. Okay? Now, all you have to do is count kung ilan po yung mga decimal places. Yun po yung step 2 natin. So we have 2 decimal places here, and then we have 1 decimal place here. So tatlo po all in all yung decimal places natin. So ilang beses po mag-move yung decimal point natin. Since nandito po sa dulo yung decimal point, move tayo ng 1, 2, and 3. Okay, therefore nandito na po yung decimal point. So ang magiging sagot natin is 0.3. We don't need to include yung dalawang 0 dito because they are no longer significant. Okay? So our answer, 0.3. Next, number 8, we have here multiplying a decimal and a whole number. So we have 3.2 times 7, whole number. All you have to do is to ignore again the decimal points. You treat this as a whole number. So just multiply 32 by 7, you will get 224. However, don't stop there because you have to consider yung ating decimal places. How many decimal places do we have? 1. So you just move 1 from the right. You will get 22.4. Number 9, we have here dividing 2 decimals naman po. Division naman po tayo. Okay, this time, you have to move the decimal point to the right to make the divisor a whole number. Okay, take note, alin po dito yung divisor natin? Yun po bang i-divide natin or yung pang di-divide natin? Correct, ito pong second number, yung pang di-divide po natin. Ito ang divisor, ito po ang mag-a-adjust. So mag-move po yung decimal point niya to the right. Bakit po natin gagawin?